Pergo laminates offer a highly attractive and extremely durable solution for flooring. So durable, in fact, that cutting this material is a major challenge for carbide saw blades, especially on a chop saw. That's why Diablo Tools has developed a radical new line of Pergo-approved saw blades, the first on the market that drastically improve cutting life not only in laminate flooring, but also in bamboo, engineered flooring, and hardwoods. To combat the highly abrasive properties of laminate flooring, each tooth is tipped with polycrystalline diamond, then spark eroded with a special triple chip tooth geometry, producing a radically improved cutting edge that delivers up to 75 times more cuts than carbide laminate flooring blades. Diablo PergoBlades also include a special PermaShield non-stick coating, which reduces gumming, friction, and the destructive effects of heat buildup. And each blade incorporates super thin curved blade technology for fast and effortless cuts, and making it ideal for stack cutting.